Our goods from China just arrived. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Something just fell off. What am I doing? Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anne's Signature channel, and this video is going to be completely different. I wanted to do this off camera, but I changed my mind. I was like, okay, why not let's just have fun together. These are my goods. They just came in from China, and oops guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So I tried to do this video with you guys so we can unbox everything that's inside this package together, right? So yeah, if you're just clicking on my channel, you're highly welcome, and I hope you'll be learning a lot, especially about hair ventilating. And if you're an old subscriber, hope you've been learning. Hope you've been making money for yourself, because I've been downloading a whole lot of things, everything I know. Okay, I've been filming, I've been posting. I hope you've been watching the videos, and I hope you've been learning. So let's just jump right into this thing and have some fun. This is going to be lots of fun. I'm just going to start from the back. Okay. I was thinking that maybe once I open up this thing, I'm just going to see everything, but I'm not sure that's how it is. Oh yeah, so before you guys ask, I use Skyjet Cargo. Is it Skyjet Cargo? Skyjet Cargo, whatever, to import my things. And how I learned how to import, I learned some double gold. So, okay, let's get rid of this jacket, because this is just a jacket. I need help, guys. I wish I could have buy. This would have been a whole lot easier. Man, I'm so scared. I don't want to open up this and everything's like crap on the floor. So let's start from here. You may be wondering what's inside this package. Guys, these are ventilating materials. And I'm going to be making everything here very affordable. I wonder if somebody's having fun with me right now. So as I just opening up this thing, normally I love tearing things, like once I get my hands on scissors, that's it. I start tearing things up, including my dresses. I'm very good at restyling them. Oh! Guess the person I'm seeing. I'm seeing. Oh no! I'm seeing the canvas head. I'm seeing a canvas head, guys. I'm seeing a canvas head. Seeing a canvas head. Okay, I just got this skull. I don't know if you guys can see it. So what we have here. Okay, let's start with the canvas that I saw. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is big. And underneath it's written size 25, exactly what I ordered for. And this is a similar one, I guess. This 24, this 25, and this 24. Okay. So I need the scissors. What do we have here? Where is this? Oh, look at these, guys. These are little hair stuff for hair grip for ventilating, like when you're ventilating. This one, so I'm going to be doing a review, maybe, I don't know, on some of these items. Yeah, I'll be doing a review on some of them later. So this for ventilating, maybe while ventilating and the hairs are flying around, you can just them, you know, and it will be in place. So I also got this. Okay, it is just for washing your hair. You know, this for washing your hair. And let's see, these regular brushes, also for washing your hair. We have pin combs. You can see that? No, tail combs. Now we have mixing bowls for bleaching your knots and bleaching your hair. Okay, we have these brushes for baby hair. Okay guys, we're just going to keep this aside. Everything came from one supplier and they're all for sale. Oh, what's inside here? I'm just going to be doing some of these things off camera so this video doesn't end up becoming too okay long. Guys, we have some T-pins. These are all T-pins. and some ponytail nets or whatever they call it. Then we have some skull caps. More ponytail, more skull caps. We have the skull caps in color brown, dark brown, and light brown. Oh God, I've not been looking at this at the camera as well. And then we have some. You know what this is? You know what it is? You know what it is. We have Swiss lace. Swiss lace. They are all transparent Swiss lace. I actually got this from Alibaba. So this package is coming from a supplier. Is it Alibaba? No. No, it's not Alibaba, it's actually AliExpress. But I shipped everything to through Sky Cargo to make everything arrive so fast. So we have another set of laces. We have so many yards here, so guys, you can order as much as you can and order ASAP. Oh, this is actually for a friend. And what we have here. Oh yes, some of these scarves. Actually ordered them for my clients. Okay, I think there were supposed to be 5 of them, and we have lots more for sale. Maybe I should wear one for you guys to see. Let me put it on my head so you guys can see what it is like. Oh, look at that, guys. And it's getting really hot here. So these are crochet wig nets. What else is inside here? We have more ponytail nets. Then we have tiny clips, and all that stuff. And what's hiding in here? Let's see. Don't worry, I'm going to be taking pictures of everything so you guys can get a better. Oh, I love this cap. Like when I saw it, I was like, no, I have to get this. I'm not gonna be using it for my own, for myself. I'm just gonna be sending it to you guys. A lot of YouTubers use this nets, you know. So you can see the nets. You can see it, right? You can see the nets. So we have them in stock right now. We have as many as you want to get. Then we have more clips. Yeah. Drop. Okay, we have bands like for wig caps. Bands for wig caps. You know what I'm talking about, right? Bands for wig caps. I'm going to be posting pictures on the screen so you can have them in different sizes so you guys can start placing your orders. And what's this like here? Oh yeah, we have transparent threads. These are about 0.88, yeah? They're very tiny. So for you to, if you want, maybe if your lace is torn, your wig lace is torn, you can use it to fix it. I'm going to be doing a video on how to do that. And then we have the big boys here. Guys, I'm just going to pause this video and open this up for you guys to see. So guys, this is actually a music, what's it called? A microphone, mobile phone tripod. And the reason why I got this is because this is what I use for ventilating. I'm going to be showing you guys. It also comes with this phone holder. I'm going to be showing you how you can be ventilating with this. It's more when you're using this, it's more comfortable. Like you'll be more comfortable while ventilating with this. We also have the tripod stands here, the regular wig tripod stands. I'm going to be showing you guys. I think I'm going to be rounding up with this on how to use this to ventilate, with the setup on how to use this to ventilate. So we have some of them for sale, and I'm going to be telling you how much we sell each of these. Okay. Oh, I'm doing okay, guys. In this, I don't know, carton or whatever it's called here, we have some half-head mannequins. These mannequins are pinnable, like you can actually pin them. They're very soft, as you can see, very, very soft. Let me see. All right, I'll show you guys. These are half-head mannequins, and they came with these mannequin head holders, whatever they're called. Okay, you can attach this to the table and then you place this right on top of it and then you start ventilating. I'm going to be telling you the prices as we go on. Oh, the pins are even here. Oh, they give us some pins. Wow. Okay, maybe I can use this to show you how soft this stuff is. So let's see. See that? There's a pin. You can just peel. You see that? So it's pierceable. So we have some of these pins right here, needles for ventilating needles. Okay. Oh man, there's so many things here. So many. Then we have this. This is the soft mannequin head. Oh, almost fell off. Let me press it. Oh, you can see it's very soft. Oh, look at their faces. Let me see. I know I chose some weird faces. Look at that guy. I said it to someone who's like, hello, you look weird. Like, you're pretty, trust me. And then the brother here. Look at this too. No, the head is supposed to be really big. Yeah, this is big. I think it's a size 25 or size 24. So they are all of different sizes, depending on what you want. Then we have tiny, just ventilating needles. I'm trying to be very fast, guys. These are just ventilating needles. I don't know if you guys can see. These are just ventilating needles. So you can buy ventilating needles, you contact us. Then oh, we have more pins. We have a lot of things here. I'm just showing you guys samples. You know. Okay, so here is this is a tripod stand. Let me unbox it. Most of you guys, man, this is a big one. Oh, this guy is big. This is massive. Like, oh, look at that. That is it. This is a big size. The size is really big. Look at that. It's really big. Yeah, see that? This is big, really big. And then we have some hairs. Okay, and then guys, I think we are done for now. We have other hairs, we have a lot of things going on here, so we are done here, guys. And thank you so much for watching the videos. If you want to buy, you can call this the number on the screen, and I will attend to you, package everything you've ordered for, and send to you. I hope you found this video interesting. And for those of you guys that will come and start saying if I do payment on delivery, guys, I don't do payment on delivery. You have to pay before delivery. That's how I run this business. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Have a nice time. Bye bye. I didn't really mention this, but these are bug hairs, and it stinks. Like, the smell is horrible. These are bug hairs for ventilating, and they're, I don't think this is a super double drone. This is just a double drone. As you can see, it's just a double drone. This is not super double drone. But it's not a single drone, it's just a double drone. So guys, have a nice time. I hope you enjoyed this video. So bring your orders coming in. Alright, have a nice time. Bye bye.